Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another tutorial video. This is going to be a quick tutorial. You know that before uploading your videos on YouTube, there are some settings you need to turn on your videos before you upload it on YouTube. So on this tutorial, I'm going to show you that setting that you need to turn on your videos. The things that you need to do. It's not all about you just coming, you put your title, your description, and you just upload your videos. It is not done that way. YouTube also requires you to turn up this setting, and it is very important for your video. Please start doing it now because it is very important. So now I'm about uploading this video. I am adding my title. Okay, so this video I was teaching you guys how you can edit your videos on CapCut. Okay, CapCut is very simple, but that is not why we are here. So I'm going to show you the 3 things you need to do. You need to turn on your videos before uploading it. Okay, so let's scroll down. You see description, you see add description, unlisted, no it's not made for kids, location, add to playlist, allow video and audio remixing, add paid promotion label, altered content and comments. So now I'm going to click on my visibility, which is very important when uploading your video, especially if you are monetized. Your visibility is important. Now let's go to my visibility. I've clicked on it. So when I click on my visibility, it's going to show me public, it's going to show me members only, it's going to show me unlisted, it's going to show me private. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to click on unlisted. Why I click on unlisted is because I want YouTube to review my video first before I put it on public. I want my videos to be reviewed and see that there is no issue before I put it on public. When you put your video on unlisted, it's only the person that you send the link to that can view this video. Okay, so that is number 1. Make sure your video is always put on unlisted. Why? Because sometimes you have copyright on that video, and maybe the sound or the music you use is going to give that video a copyright. So it is best that you put it on unlisted. You'll be the first person to see this issue. To the next part. 2, your audience is very important. You see this place that they write this audience. You see, I click on it. I've already set my channel to no, it is not made for kids. Okay, so when you check your age advance, let's check my age advance. You see that the right age restriction advance. Do you want to restrict your videos to an adult audience? 1, yes, restrict my video to viewers over 18. No, don't restrict my videos to viewer over 18. Okay, and restrict your videos to viewers over 18, and you can also restrict your videos to viewers that are not over 18. That is, people that are under 18 plus are the ones that are going to see this video, from 18 and above. Okay, so make sure that you always set your channel or your videos to no, it is not made for kids, because 1, your content is not made for kids. You are not making videos that are made for kids. When you see videos that are made for kids, you will know, like all these lesson videos, cartoon, teaching videos that are made for kids, funny videos that are sometimes made for kids. Okay, so if your content is not made for kids, make sure you set your channel to it is not made for kids. If you are making a lifestyle vlog tutorial, make sure you set your channel to no, it is not made for kids. Okay, there's a way you can set it once and for all on your YouTube studio, and there's a way you can always set it on your videos. Every time you upload, you just click on it and you set it on your video. No, it is not made for kids. So this is number 2. Okay, now I'll go to number 3. Number 3 is my altered content. Can you see the altered content here? I'm going to click on my altered content. Always make sure that you click on your altered content. 1, do any of the following describe your content. Make a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. Alter footage of a real event or place. Generate a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. No, my answer is no. It doesn't include altered content. Okay, because 1, everything I say in this video, I am the person that said it. I didn't make anybody to say anything or generate anything in this video. I said everything in this video by myself, so it is me. Okay, so it is no. So if your content is something that you generate with AI, you can click yes. Okay, but if your content is something that you do by yourself, you are the one that did it, like everything, you click no. So this is number 3. So now you can see that I've turned it on. You can see the altered content now. So you know it doesn't include altered content. Number 2, no, it is not made for kid, and my visibility is showing unlisted. So these are the 3 things you need to put in check in your videos before uploading it on YouTube. And also we have description. I am not here for description. This is where you can add your description. This is add description. Describe what your video is all about. Video is all about tutorial, so I'm going to describe this video as my tutorial. So I will take my time to describe this video. So this is all I want to show you. So these are the 3 things you need to put in check, or you need to add on your videos before uploading it. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please drop a sweet comment for me in the comment section. And if there's anything else you wanted me to add I didn't add, please feel free to share with me in the comment section. I love you guys, and thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. My name is Believe, and I sign out. Okay, by the time you see this video, my video has already been uploaded on my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye guys.